Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Jody again. Today I'm gonna make banana bread. Yes, so in my bowl right here I've got 1 cup of unsalted butter, and I'm also gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay, so the sugar that I had, guys, this sugar is really soft and it's for baking. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my hand mixer and just mix it all in. Let me turn it on. So now I'm gonna add 2 eggs. I'm gonna add 1 at a time. So that's 1 right there. So these are my ripe banana, guys, and you want to make sure that they are really ripe. So this is what mine look like, because I've got them in my house, guys, and I'm thinking, you know, I don't know what to do with them. I don't want to make no banana fritters. So altogether is 5 banana. Okay, ripe banana. So I'm just gonna take my fork and you just want to press it all down like so. You can also use a mashed potato crusher and crush it all down. So this is perfect. So that's done. So to my banana bread, I'm gonna add some walnut that I finely chop, and this is 1/2 cup, and I'm also gonna add some raisin, just over 1/2 cup, and these are my spices. I'm gonna add at least 1/4 teaspoon of my allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of my baking powder. Yes. So now I'm just gonna add my bananas to all my mixture. You want to mix it all in. So I'm just gonna take my hand mixer, guys, and mix it all in. So now I'm gonna add my flour, guys, and I'm gonna add 2.5 cup of flour. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time. gonna add some more. And I'm just gonna add my baking powder, guys, to my flour mixture. And I'm gonna also add all my spices. And at least ½ teaspoon of salt. And you want to mix it all in so everything will all combine. I should have done it before, but it's fine. It's not too late because I still have more flour leaf. So you want to just add it all. I'm gonna add my vanilla. And if it's too thick, guys, you can always add just a bit of milk to it, okay? I'm gonna add my walnut. And this is how it is. As you can see, it is finely chopped. My raisin. So guys, this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add at least ¼ cup of honey. And the honey, guys, is just gonna make it so moist. Honestly, you wanna mix it all in. Yeah, the honey is gonna make it taste super delicious. So good. Look at that. So here I have my pan right here, and as you can see, I just grease it with some butter. So now I'm gonna add all my mixture to it. So now I'm just gonna add some of my walnut on top. Just gonna sprinkle it like so. And now I'm gonna put it in my oven and 150 degree to 170 degree, okay? I'll let you guys know for how long. Make sure your oven is preheated. So this is it right here, guys. In the oven it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, my banana bread is all finished. I just removed it from the oven and this is what it look like. Honestly guys, it came out perfect. It look amazing. It's been in the oven, guys, just over 1 hour, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna drizzle some honey on top. Like so. And I'm gonna take my brush and just brush it, okay? This is optional, but I just want to do it like that. And I'm just gonna allow it to cool, then I come back to you guys. So now that my banana bread is all cool, I'm gonna remove it. Oops, look at that, guys. It is still hot. So guys, I'm just cutting into my banana bread. You can cut it in whatever way you preferred. And guys, I'm telling you, it come out so perfect. It tastes amazing. It is super, super mild, super, super delicious. I hope you guys do give this recipe a try. If you try it, please don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. Please don't forget guys to thumbs this video up, share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really, really appreciate it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, so you can receive more amazing videos like these, okay? I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.